aye, aye. Rasta Nation, man. Me step on lion path again. No fear, no chain. Every breath I am, every day I win. Me walk tall in Jamaica, eyes full of light. Me climb mountain, me cross sea. Jah walk with me, me face try and me face down, but my spirit warm, me heart steady like drum. Better day come, no wicked tongue can't sway me trudge away. Me see the snake whisper lies, still me fly. Me see them plotting a dark, me spark, me wear truth like crown. Never bow down, each step me take bold. My soul gold, the lion roar inside my soul. Keep control, me no crawl pan belly for man. Me follow Jah plan, me move with humble pride. Spirit guide, no fear of the night. Me walk with light, me learn to watch and wait. Me no tempt fate, the lion part rough still, but strong will me stand when others fall. Jah call, me carry my truth alone like stone. On the lion path me go, where the strong roots grow. Through valley deep and sky so wide. Jah by my side, on the lion path me stay. Night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near, Jah always near, Jah always near. Me rest by the ancient tree, hear the prophecy, my spirit connect with ground. Holy soul, the breeze carry my pain away. Me pray, it's got a story true. What me been through, me rise each time I fall. Jah call, the lion inside no sleep. His promise keep, me guard my mind from sin. Strength within, every roar I praise. Jah ways, me stand upon the cliff edge, I touch the sky. Me roar with truth and might, Jah light. Me see the wicked tremble low, them can't grow. Me roar for peace, me roar for love from above. Me no fear the dark or pain. Rasta rain, me no turn back for none. Me done, pon the lion path me go. Jah by my side, pon the lion path me stay. Night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near, Jah always near, Jah always near. So when me reach Zion gate, me celebrate. On the lion path me find peace of mind. Close your eyes, breathe deep. You don't need answer, just listen. Within the silence, just speak. Me used to run, me used to hide from shadow deep and storm inside. But just say look and you will find. Me open up, me cleanse me mind. Me sit beneath the ancient tree. Roots inside, leaves talk to me. Birds sing truths in melody. Me realize Jah living on me. No preacher, no priest, no sign. Just heartbeat and herbs combine. The rhythm guide, me soul align. Me no search more, me feel divine. Within the silence, me hear Jah voice. No loud thunder, no heavy noise. Just breath and wine, me make me choice. Me walk the path, me chant rejoice. Within the silence, me spirit rise. See truth naked, no disguise. In a stillness, me feel the skies. Me no fear death, me realize. Me build a hut with bamboo stick. No glass, no gold, no plastic trick. Me sleep when moonlight kiss the brick, and wake to songbirds chanting quick.
The herbs me grow, them only leaf. Me no smoke fi run from grief. Me smoke fi wisdom, smoke fi peace. Smoke fi love and soul release. Me drink from river, clear and cold. Me chant psalms, them never old. Me spirit young, me body bold. Me just child, a story told.
Who guide your way?
Oh, Jaja light the road.
Know what heal your pain.
Herbs will freely grow.
Know what keep you safe.
Meditation slow.
And where you go.
Walk wherever the silence
Go
flow.
home, let your silence flow. Live by the silent flow. Live by the silent flow. Within the silence, me hear your voice.
No loud thunder, no
Heavy night.
just bread and wine.
Me make me choice.
If you walk the path, if you chant rejoice.
Within the silence, me spirit rise.
See truth naked,
No disguise.
in a stillness,
Me feel the skies.
me no fear death.
Me realize.
Me used to chase the light outside, but now me realize it hide. Deep within, you can't divide what Jah create, what Jah provide. Them try confuse we with TV scene, but me vision clear like morning green. No chain, no badge, no dollar mean can shake the peace, me soul between. Me chant alone in mountain high. Me eyes red, but me soul dry. From tears of joy, from knowing why. Me born fi rise, not born fi cry. Me say silence no empty. It full up with truth, full up with light. Jah whisper things in quiet night. You no need noise to find insight. So listen close, my brother, my sister. Meditate, levitate, elevate. Edit.
Aye, 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 kaya. And reggae music, yeah, man. Me climb up the mountain tall. Jah hear me call. Every step me rise, me closer to the skies. Me walk through valley pain, still me remain. The stone beneath me feet make me spirit complete. Me fight for the truth, me say Jah walk with me, me never lose me faith. Jah love create me, look down pon the plain. See mankind insane, the greed and hate them grow, but me still know love are the real key. Set we free, no man can block Jah way. Me pray each day where your ground me see. Where the humble speak, Jah mountain pure and wild. Me trod inside, higher ground me find. Peace in my mind, no chain hold me bound. Jah higher ground, me train on hold me bound. No chain hold me bound. Jah higher ground. Me climb through thunderstorm, still Jah keep me warm. Every struggle build me soul, make me whole. Me feel Jah wine caress, me soul blessed. Me see the sunrise bright, pure delight. Me chant for every soul. Reach Jah goal, me lift me hand to sky. Never say goodbye. Jah guide the climb me trod. Me trust in God, one step, one song. Carry me along, higher ground me seek. Where the humble speak, Jah mountain pure and wide. Me trod inside, higher ground me find. Peace in my mind, no chain hold me bound. Jah higher ground, Jah higher ground, Jah higher ground, Jah higher ground. So when me reach the top, me never stop. Your glory surround. Me rest on higher ground.
Me wake up when the sun still stretch. Birds them chant like Nanya Binky sketch. Me rub me eyes, me feel jobless. No alarm, just natural rest. Me sip me tea from calabash. Ginger root and coconut splash. No sugar sweet, me keep it fresh. Me rhythm slow, me no rush me mesh. Me be a foot on the red dirt way. Me greet the elder with peace and sway. Me carry herbs from field to bay and give thanks for another day. Me no in a rat race, Babylon pace. Me live in space where just show grace. The only race me run is grace. Me face the sun, me hold me place. Rasta Nah Hurry, Rasta move slow. Like river bend and ganja grow. Me walk with time, me soul them know. Me follow rhythm, not the show. Rasta Nah Hurry, me can't pretend. Me hold the line, just spirit sent. Me chant me truth until the end. Me no just man, me message it sent. Me sit on stone near mango tree. Me close me eyes, me sight me free. Me mind not trapped in society. Me heartbeat one with melody. Me reason with the youth and teach. Me say them books can't reach what ancient soul already preach. Me say love, me say earth, me say speech. Me plant me yam, me reap me corn. Me child born where trumpets won. No concrete jail, no suit fi mourn. Me raise me flag, me on fi on. Me light a spliff fi clear the way. Me chant to Zion every day. No phone, no screen, no ID stay. Just soul, just drum, just roots display. Rasta Nah Hurry, Rasta move slow. Like river bend and ganja grow. Me walk with time, me soul them know. Me follow rhythm, not the show. Rasta Nah Hurry, me can't pretend. Me hold the line, just spirit send. Me chant me truth until the end. Me no just man, me message it send. Them say me slow but me run deep. Them laugh but me joy them can't keep. Them chest clock while me hold sleep. And in me dream the lion leap. Me dream of Mama Africa. Me hear the drum from Ethiopia. Me see the hills of Shashamane. Me roots deep in ancestry. Me wear me dread like crown of time. Me walk the path where elders climb. Me soul no lost in dollar sign. Me rich with life and sacred rhyme. Me cook me food pan firelight. Me say I'll feed me soul right. Me say unity, no need fi fight. Me say Rasta rise like morning bright. Rasta no late, Rasta arrive when the moon call. Me nah run me float. Me nah beg me glow. Me nah shout me show. Peace are the way me know.
Let the breeze talk. Let the leaves speak. Let your heart listen.
1
Get the penny penny.
Echoes meditation. Early in the morning, sun just rise. Me eyes still red, me soul feels wise. Birds are singing, breeze blow light. Me roll a split, prepare for flight. Me no rush, me no stress, me just be sipping roots tea under coconut tree. Me heart beat low like a deep bass key. Peaceful mind in a the Rasta sea. This a mystic road, me walk alone with herbs and chants. Me overthrown, the trees a whisper. Me find me zone in a silence. Me spirit grown. Smoke spiral up to the blue sky top. Me give thanks to Jah, me never stop. Meditation flow like the Nyabingi drum. In a nature's arms, me kingdom come. Me no need no gold, me no need no chain. Me wealth is fire, rain and plain. Me write me lyrics from ancestral vein. The vibe so high, me can't complain. Follow me if you seek that peace. We not chase hype, we chase release. Rasta way, we live in ease. Love and ganja, them sweet like cheese. Me reason with the mountain breeze. Ask it question, receive with ease. Why Babylon live and greed disease? When Jah provide the birds and bees. Me sit with elders, learn to grow. Plant me garden in a sacred row. Each seed me sow with heart and flow. And me harvest joy from what me know. This a mystic road, me walk alone with herbs and chants. Me overthrown, the trees a whisper. Me find me zone in a silence. Me spirit grown. Me sistrin bring the calabash filled with spring and ganja stash. We chant in circle, no need for cash. The real wealth come from vibes that flash. We no live by the clock or wage. We live by Jah time, page by page. Me burn the fire on me stage, but in me heart, me still a sage. So light it up and close your eye. Let the rhythm carry your eye. Forget the world and all them cry. In a urban drum, we testify. Zion echoes, we bring the flame. In a heavy verse, we call your name. One love, one herb, one sacred aim. In a mystic road, we find our name.
Jah bless the people, yeah man. High above the midnight sky, star of justice never die. Every glimmer, cool and true, Star reveal what man must do. Babylon shadows try to hide. Star of justice still will guide. Shining bright with holy flame. Star exalt the righteous name. Dum dum da ba da ba da da ba da da dum 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 da ba da ba da. Dum dum da ba da ba da da ba da ba dum 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 da ba da ba da. Pilgrim look and find the way. Star of justice light the day. Every road so dark before. Star of mercy open door. No oppression cloud the view. Star of truth forever new. Every gleam of prophecy. Star of justice set we free. Dum dum ba ba da ba dum ba ba da ba dum 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 ba ba da ba da. Dum dum ba ba da ba dum ba ba da ba dum 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 ba ba da ba da. Held up point to heaven's high. Star of justice fill the sky. Children learn from light above. Star remind them Jah is love. Even stranger lost and blind. Star of mercy help them find. Every sparkle pure and bright. Star of peace guide through the night. Warrior lay the weapon down. Star of justice take the crown. Every battle soon will cease. Star of mercy shine in peace. Babylon fortress fade away. Star of truth reveal the day. Every nation come to see. Star of justice victory. Dum dum da ba da ba dum da ba da ba dum 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 da ba da ba dum. Dum dum da ba da ba dum da ba da ba dum 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 da ba da ba dum. Teach us speak with wisdom clear. Star of justice draw us near. Every lesson strong and right. Star of Zion give the sight. No more hatred, no more pain. Star of peace forever reign. Every glow a holy sign. Star of justice still divine. Teach us speak with wisdom clear. Star of justice sing the song. Generations lift them on. Star of truth across the land. Everlasting never fall. Star of mercy guide us all. Sacred fire bold and free. Star of justice victory. Eternal beacon shining bright. Star of justice rule the night. Never fading, never gone. Star of Zion still live on. Glorious flame forever pure. Star of truth will still endure. Everlasting, bold and free. Star of justice shine for me. Shine, shine, bright and clear. Star of justice, draw us near. Rise, rise, holy flame. Star of truth, exalt your name. Star of justice, bold and bright. Guide the people through the night. Never fading, never fall. Star of mercy shine for all. Forever glowing, strong and free. Star of justice victory. Sacred fire, pure and